preparation of the watermelon explosion.
Hey,
He's getting ready. Ready to rock.
okay, do it. Final.
I might poop my pants.
It's gonna rain melon on everybody. Run, Forrest, run! I'm hiding behind Keith. God, don't let me spill my drink. Oh shit! Oh my, that was so good. That was. Did you get it?
Yeah, I got it.
Barbecue melon. Amazing. Please tell me you got that on video.
Yeah, I got it. It's good.
You need to get more of those. Where did that watermelon?
The watermelon is
The watermelon is gone. I saw
Somebody eat it. Somebody eat that.
That piece almost took Barry's head off.
Ariel will eat that.
No, why would I fucking eat that?
Guy work.
That's fucking sweet. You need to get more.
Let me see that video.